Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather all the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing, and some cleaning supplies such as a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Make sure to have a work surface that is clean and well lit. Start by unplugging your Thermomix TM21 to ensure safety. Next, remove the bowl and the lid. Set them aside in a safe place. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws located at the base of the unit. These screws will allow you to lift off the bottom cover. If you find it challenging to reach, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the bottom cover is off, you will see the motor assembly. Carefully disconnect the wires leading to the motor. Make sure to note where each wire connects. Taking a picture can be very helpful for reassembly later. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. With the wires disconnected, you can now remove the motor. There may be additional screws holding the motor in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry the motor out if it's stuck. Once you've removed the old motor, take a moment to clean the internal compartment using the microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol. This step is crucial for ensuring the longevity of your new motor. Now, let's unpack the new motor. Before installation, it's a good idea to test the new motor using a multimeter to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you're unsure how to do this, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance, as we offer quotes before repair, so you know what to expect. Once you've confirmed the new motor is in working order, install it into the motor compartment. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Then, reconnect the wires exactly as they were before. Refer back to the picture you took to avoid any mistakes. If you feel overwhelmed at this stage, just remember, no calls, no travel, we are here to help. With everything connected and secured, replace the bottom cover and screw it back into place. Ensure that all screws are tightened properly to prevent any rattling during operation. Finally, reattach the bowl and lid. Before you plug in your Thermomix TM21, double-check that everything is in order. If you feel confident, go ahead and plug it in and test the motor. If it runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor in your Thermomix TM21. If there are any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Our team is ready to help you troubleshoot any problems you might encounter. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.